Big up everybody we're checking. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now this is the people I talk about. And this is the people I cuss about. The government, I talk about all that they have accomplished with the 2 terms that they have been the government of the Jamaican island. But the people must say basic infrastructure still not upon the Jamaican island. People may ask them the question, comment in the comment section, which party you want to see win the next general election. For the current government, write JLP. For the opposition, write PMP. And we couldn't see what I go on, they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
From the beginning and tell me exactly what happened to your daughter.
She's young and she's tiny. We understand
How old is she?
that she's 14.
Yes.
And she shouldn't get pregnant, but she don't get pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
Me bring her out here because her due date at the 10th, which is Monday. Don't know say Monday doctor strike. And when me bring her, then tell me say doctor strike. Me say beg no a referral. Then say no make sense. Me say if I even want experienced nurse must up a Jubilee, then make me carry her home back. When me carry her home, she dip on her knee like dog and me carry her back out here. And when me go in there, then frown up on her. Pretty little girl, you know. And then shake their heads and go so. And she na here go. So me sign up for she get cut because I got cut with her. And me at 28 when me have her. So if she at 14, she could bear it. Now then call me and tell me say, my daughter go through a very, very long, hard labor. And my daughter dead. Eh? My daughter, why you never cut her? Cut her. It's like them a say she too little. Me hear people that say she could have sex from when she brilliant. She quiet. Look on her. School can talk for her. She no talk. She no.
People, I don't want to get caught up with the age of this woman's daughter. I want to think about the situation that this woman is highlighting. Nobody should show up at one of these healthcare facilities owned, operated and run by the government and can't get no attention. The same government where I say them want a 3rd term. Now of course we now say no government officials were at the hospital and I feed them fault. They can't say that. But the administration, we are talking about all that they have accomplished. You tell me say them can't pay doctors. They must say the doctors them never did it because of money. And this is after them increase parliamentarian wages by how much percent. The equipment needed at these healthcare facilities. Now did they? And we about how much billions, about 3 trillion now. They must have spent and nobody know where 3 trillion spent on the necessary equipment. Did they? This is a disgrace. Now I'm going to hear the rest of this lady's story. Condolences to her and her family. And they will continue reason. Look and listen.
Here, and me say, baby, you know, have baby down at hospital. Because when me did have you, it was rough. 3 weeks ago, me said to the doctor, he say, they go no a referral, if she have the baby down, so because she had due 3 weeks. They say, trust them. Me never ask them if me trust them. Me I tell them when me walk, and me and her plan. CPSFA can talk. When they see we first time, me tell them, say, don't worry, a cut she a go get. And that a months ago. And now they say in her, they say her cervix bust up. They say her vagina tear up. Why you not cut the child? She's a baby. But you them say she is 14. Them look up on her and frown.
And you gave the consent for the surgery to take place?
I sign up every little. Sir, she sign one. Yeah. And I say she cannot sign it. Because the first the doctor make she sign. I say no, I'm if sign.
As a mother.
And I sign it. Them forfeit that one day and come back and I sign it. Yeah. My daughter in her ear go 10 o'clock. I tell them 3 towel me put over her. She say, mommy, me cold. I say she can't go take it. I know she could bear it from day one. Look on her, she have little hand, little foot. No matter what people want to say. We could have do abortion, sir. No, me they have one option like that. But me not do it.
As I say, talk to me in the comment section. This is sad and also disturbing. And as I say, you have people where talk about woman's daughter and her age and the situation itself. And no man acknowledge all that. But the thing is, she was there and willing to stand by her youth and help her through this next journey of her life. If only the one take place at this hospital never take place. Tell me what you think. You have a whole heap of ministers and ministries where people are cussed about, but you have a whole heap of ministers and ministries where billions of dollars are spent in their ministry every time money gets spent. But the people might always say, them still not see where the money is spent in a certain ministry. I mean, this woman go there and them tell her son a doctor not dead. And remember the finance minister laughed when the doctor didn't talk about them contract. Not seeing the implications. This is the administration they want to lead the country. Them they ever realize how serious these matters are. And remember, they are parliamentarians who, I don't know who them did ask for the, well, amongst the government them asked for them wage increase. But it wasn't something where them lobby about and talk about and them just get this increase. Much percent. And the people, civil servants, we actually need for day to day happenings on the Jamaican island. Them people they can't get the money where them need. The people must say it's strange. Or the government that talk about accomplishments. When again, the things them the people might ask about and talk about, the government seem to can't help them with that. No, it's not really surprising to me why so much people are saying them more in support of the opposition. Because the people are fed up and frustrated. And when we hear representatives or people from the government talk, it's like them not understand what the people must say. It's like the people are lost in translation with the government. It's like they must say something now when the government hear it, like the government now speak them language. They just cannot understand. Because them continue to boast and tell about things what them do when nobody now asks them for. Where they ever say nobody now asks them for. So they have done things where, people have benefited from it. But Jamaica at large, you have things that them ask them for, ask them about, tell them to do. For them just win. And them win and win again. And now they must say them want to win again. And the people must say, oh no, no deal we're asking for deal with. Can you even do it? But the next thing, can they even do it? This sad. And to the amount of people out there with this matter, show yourself. People also see it from that point of view. So something should have been done. This is somewhere, somebody have to give this lady some account or explain to her what really happened. What really happened? Of course, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And if you're new to the channel, so pass through. We'll click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. As I say, my sentiments for you and yours is of course, if you want to live, if you want to love, if you want to prosper, remember to like and share the video. Remember to drop a comment in the comment section. We can contain the reasoning from the comment section. Now until the reason again, as I say, live, love and prosper and stay tuned.